Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Pinterest boards organized and always have your most recent creations at the top, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to sort your Pinterest boards by newest first, using the latest version of the Pinterest app. Whether you're a seasoned pinner or just getting started, this quick guide will help you stay on top of your organization game. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your boards and settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards are stored. Next, look for the Boards tab at the top of your profile page. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all your boards, from recipes and travel ideas to home decor inspiration. If you have a lot of boards, this is where sorting becomes especially helpful. Now, at the top of the Boards section, you'll notice a Sort button. It's usually represented by two little arrows or the word Sort. Go ahead and tap on that. A menu will pop up with different sorting options. To see your newest boards first, simply select the option labeled Newest. Instantly, your boards will rearrange themselves, putting the most recently created ones right at the top. This makes it super easy to find your latest inspirations and projects without scrolling through older boards. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your Pinterest boards by newest first. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're constantly adding new boards and want to keep your profile fresh and organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Pinterest fans. Stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials to help you get the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!